Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ainul Nazrah binti Yazid. My matric number 2020987947. I am here today to present about my assignment 2 Creative IT Solution for subject ICT 500. Before I explain more about the problem that occur about healthy diet, let me explain first who are my user target. My user target are workers that work from home during COVID-19. The main problem that usually happen among workers are unable to eat a healthy diet because of work and no reminder in daily life. Certain workers did not follow the right time to take a meal and just eat whenever and what time they want. It will cause to another problem as anxiety and so on. Certain workers who live alone also do not have enough knowledge about healthy eating and all the nutrition that they need in life according to the food pyramid. They also unable to calculate the calories for each type of food on their own. Now, I will continue to existing IT solution. For this problem, I choose 3 applications for users that have problem to discipline themselves about healthy diet. One of the application is My Diet Coach. My Diet Coach is a self-monitoring app for healthy life. You can choose whether you want to lose weight, stay healthy, or gain some weight. It also can log for each meal for breakfast, lunch, and dinner by searching the foods, and you will know the calories, fat, and more for each type of food. This application also can be linked to the application with iOS Health app. You also can learn more about nutritional info with Go Premium. Second application that I choose is MyFitnessPal. It have a reminder for each meal to make sure users eat on time. For this application, you can easily log what you eat for your meal with scanning the barcode at the product to know the calories, carbs, fat, protein, and all nutrition facts about vitamin, cholesterol, and many more. This app can easily scan the barcode without have to be a premium compared to My Diet Coach. It has many recipes for dietitian that includes calories. For your information, this application will locate your step after connect to smartphone or even smartwatch. Last but not least, Calorie Counter by GetFit. This application have many recipes with all the steps to cook and ingredient for the busy workers. You also can searching the food to know what type of food at nutrition meter, and it will show all calories and many more. This application also can link to iOS Health app. It also can scan the barcode for all type of food. Lastly, I will proceed to possible creative IT solution. There are 3 possible creative solutions that I list for this application. Each application has a free access for users to have many more features without need to subscribe to premium. For example, workers can snap their picture of food to calculate the calories during their busy time without typing and searching the food. Each application also can make a reward if workers can achieve goals that they choose earlier. Each application also can open a forum for each user to communicate with each other. I guess that's all from me. Thank you.